Ever wonder how a single microcontroller talks to 10 different sensors without becoming a spaghetti mess of wires? Welcome to the world of I2C, the Inter-Integrated Circuit Protocol. It's the industry standard for short-distance communication. It only needs 2 wires. SDA, or serial data, carries the actual information. SCL, or serial clock, keeps everything in sync. Think of it like a classroom. The master is the teacher, and the slaves are the students. Only one person talks at a time to keep things organized. But how does the master talk to just one sensor? Every device has a unique address. It's like calling out a student's name before asking a question. Communication starts with a start condition. The master pulls the data line low, signaling to everyone on the bus, listen up. After every byte of data, the receiver sends back an NACK, or acknowledgement. It's a digital thumbs up to say, I got the message. Why use it? It saves space, it's easy to chain devices together, and you only need 2 pins on your controller. From the sensor in your phone to the screen on your 3D printer, I2C is everywhere. If this helped you clear up the bus confusion, hit that like button. Now, go build something awesome.